And we are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits. I am back in the building with another video. So as you see from the title of this video, I gotta give a special shout out to the boy Herm G, the founder of Slapp. I had to hit him up. Shout out to JJ All Day 84, man, because I seen him do a video. He had a Slapp hat, and I was like, yo, that hat is dope, you know. So he was telling me about Herm, and I had hit him up. We were talking like back and forth. So I asked him, could he customize a fitted for me to match a certain pair of shoes. Showed him the shoes, which I'm about to show y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all the hat first. But like, if you want anything customized, like any hats customized, like dad hats, fitted. I'm a fitted guy, I don't wear dad hats, but anything like that, hit him up. I will put his IG in the description, and I'll put it on the screen so y'all can see. Go check him out. Like, the work is phenomenal. So this is what he made for your boy. So this is how it came. Like, he had it packaged like this. So I appreciate the packaging, bro. It was very quick. Like, he had the hat. We talked it up. Woo! Y'all see that? Y'all should already know what that is. So there it is, Team Slapp. So yes, I am affiliated. Look at that. So yeah, this is fire. So it got stitched on there, got the team, and then you got Slapp right here. So as y'all see, y'all should already know, based off that colorway, you should know what those are going with. But if you don't know, woo, them turbo green boys. So as you see, got those turbo greens right here. Fire, man. These turbo greens are fire. As you see, the hat goes with it. Y'all know this is why I call myself Mr. Kicks and Fits. I always gotta have a fit or a hat to match the kicks. Y'all know how I get down. When it comes to this matching, man, there's nobody messing with me. I keep telling y'all that. But yeah, this right here, fire, man. Thanks again, Herm. Thanks again for this, yo. This is dope. This is dope, man. So like I said, I'm gonna put his link in the description. Check him out on IG. He makes some fire stuff. He also got a fire kit collection too, man. I be seeing your stuff when you be working out, what you be working out in. I wouldn't be working out in that stuff, but I see what he be working out in. Boy, got some heat. But other than that, that's going to conclude this video. If you like what I'm doing, like my video, share my video, and subscribe to the channel. And we're out of here, guys. Woo! Hold on, let me turn it around for y'all. Woo! Peace.